Now we're just going to come through with the gun and take off the bolts very quickly. Going to be doing it in a pattern. At this point, the pattern is really not necessary since there's no pressure being exerted on the block. And now we're just going to remove all the bolts. One of the tricks that I use when I'm taking apart motors, whether I know them very well or not, I put them in a poly bag, I seal them, and then I label them on the back of what part they're with. That way I keep everything together and I'm not looking for bolts on the assembly end. I'm going to use either a screwdriver or a breaker bar. I'm going to lift up on both sides of the main caps and it's going to free them up from the block. Or you can put it in the bolt hole and just wiggle it back and forth.